A very warm welcome to all my dear students. Today we are going to learn about distributive property of whole numbers. According to distributive property, when a number is multiplied by the sum of two other numbers, then the first number can be distributed to both of those two numbers and multiplied by each of them separately. Consider an example. Let A, B and C are three whole numbers. According to distributive property, A has to be multiplied to B also and C also. That is, A is distributed among B and C. So you can write it as A into B plus A into C. Similarly, you can apply this property when there is a minus sign between B and C. This can be done by doing A into B minus A into C. That is, A is distributed among B and C with a minus sign in between them. You can understand this in a better way with the help of an example. Suppose your father has bought 1 dozen oranges and 2 dozen strawberries, and he has to distribute them equally among you and your brother. So how can he do it? Of course, he will give 6 oranges to both of you and 12 strawberries to both of you. So, there will be 2 times of 6 oranges, that is for you and your brother, and 2 times of 12 strawberries for you and your brother. So, 2 is multiplied by 6 oranges also, and 2 is multiplied by 12 strawberries also. It means 2 into 6 plus 12 will be given as 2 into 6 plus 2 into 12. Let us consider one more example. In this example, 3 has to be multiplied to the sum of 3 and 4. It means first 3 will be multiplied by 3, then there will be a plus sign between them, then 3 will be multiplied by 4. 3 into 3 is shown by the number of mangoes, and 3 into 4 is shown by the number of apples. So, 3 into 3 will give you 9 and 3 into 4 will give you 12. And 9 plus 12 will give you 21. Let us consider one more example. Here in this example, you can see that 2 into 6 has to be divided into 2 equal parts. According to this, 6 has to be divided into 2 equal parts. So when we try to divide 6 into 2 equal parts, it will give you 3 plus 3. So when we divide 2 into 6 number of cubes, we will divide it like this. That is 2 into 3 in first part plus 2 into 3 in the second part. Now we can understand the distributive property in a better way. So let us try to solve some questions based on it. In the first question, you can see that 8 has to be multiplied by 107. 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. Now 8 has to be multiplied by 100 also and by 7 also. 8 into 100 will give you 800 and 8 into 7 will give you 56. 800 plus 56 will give you 856. In the next question, you have to multiply 18 by 95. 95 can be written as 100 minus 5. So first you will multiply 18 by 100, then you will multiply 18 by 5 having a minus sign in between them. So 18 into 100 is 1800 minus 90, that is 18 into 5. And when you subtract them, you will get the answer as 1710. Let us see some real life examples of distributive property. In this example, in a class there are 23 boys and 18 girls. How many students will be there in 6 such classes? So children, you can see that the number of boys are 23 and number of girls are 18. Total number of students in one class will be 23 plus 18. But we have to find out for 6 such classes. Then 23 plus 18 has to be multiplied by 6. 23 plus 18 will give you 41. And when you multiply it by 6, you can get the result as 246. Let us look at one more example. There are 5 bowls on a table with 7 candies in each bowl. 3 candies are taken away from each bowl, so how many candies are left in the bowls? Here the number of candies in each bowl are 7 and the number of candies taken away are 3. Since the number of candies are taken away, so it has to be subtracted from 7. So number of candies left in each bowl are 7 minus 3. But we have to find the same situation for 5 such bowls. So we have to multiply 7 minus 3 by 5. 7 minus 3 will give you 4, and when you multiply it by 5, it will become 20. Children, in your book there are many such real life examples and questions based on it. Please try to solve these questions in your classwork copy, and to help you, I am going to share the solution of the entire exercise in your class WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.